Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about top best 360 cameras you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon so never miss an update. With numerous improvements coming to the market, the camera industry has enjoyed an amazing few years. 360-degree cameras record the full scene in all directions. Since the first 360-degree cameras were introduced 5 years ago, many improvements in form of new model have been made. There are a variety of brands offering good 360-degree cameras, but selecting any one is not easy as each has its own specifications. So we are here to help you out. Among lots of good 360 cameras available in market, each has its own pros and cons. But we have created a list of the some best 360-degree cameras that you can buy. So today's list is based on my personal opinion and research, and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started our countdown. On number 5, AKASO V50 Elite. The AKASO V50 Elite is a great camera that will capture video at 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. For pictures, this camera is capable of taking images of 20 megapixel and has an 8x digital zoom. This camera measures 2.36 inches by 1.57 inches by 1.18 inches and weighs about 78 grams. It also comes with a waterproof case, so you won't have any danger while shooting near watery places. The camera has a touchscreen and some functionable buttons and is considered an easy-to-use camera. Pros of AKASO V50 Elite: fantastic JPEG and RAW images, good video in 4K 60 frames per second, and tripod stitch. Cons of AKASO V50 Elite: not included is a micro SD card, improved quick reference guide, and OS sometimes. On number 4, Ricoh Theta SC2. There are not many color options available for Ricoh Theta SC2 because it comes in gray and has a fancy remote style design. The camera has the following dimensions: 45.2 by 130.6 by 22.9 mm and weighs roughly 104 grams. Up to 14 megapixel images can be captured with the camera. 2 by 1/2.3 cm OIS sensor. When it comes to recording videos, this camera can do it in the MP4 format and a resolution of 4K and a frame rate of 30 FPS. Pros of Ricoh Theta SC2: it's compact, simple to use, and fantastic application. Cons of Ricoh Theta SC2: poor audio and no additional storage. On number 3, GoPro Camera Fusion. The body of the GoPro Camera Fusion is made of rubber and has rounded corners and side panels. Despite having a somewhat larger body than other 360-degree cameras, the GoPro Camera Fusion is still small, and when compared to a DSLR, the LCD screen and a few manual control knobs make it simple to activate every feature and function. The video quality is better than its rival since it uses more contemporary optic lenses. A detailed and high-quality video is produced thanks to the video's high 5K resolution. It's a waterproof camera that can go down up to 5 meters in water. Pros of GoPro Camera Fusion: amazing video quality with overcapture mode, highly effective software stabilization. Cons of GoPro Camera Fusion: nearly unusable app. Some basic features are missing. A lower quality photo. On number 2, Trisio Lite 2 VR. Our Trisio Lite 2 VR is a terrific option if you're looking for an action camera that can capture in 360 degrees. With this camera, you can capture your priceless moment in 8K resolution in addition to taking high-quality photos. In contrast to other cameras, this one captures color accurately and without boosting saturation. It weighs 0.34 lbs and has a dimension of 5.8 by 2 by 0.9 inches. Additionally, it includes a battery that gives it 200 minutes of operating time. Push the button to activate this device, and it will evaluate the environment to select the best exposure and capture pictures. Pros of Trisio Lite 2 VR: precise 32 megapixel pictures, impresses in surrounding with high contrast, stitching is absent. Cons of Trisio Lite 2 VR: no 360-degree video, can't take a raw photo, no manual adjustments. Last but not least, number 1, Insta360 ONE X2 360. The brands did well work on camera lineup and addressed a lot of criticism on its predecessor, and produces the Insta360 ONE X2 360. The Insta360 ONE X2 360 comes with a great editing app that has a lot of useful features that you can use to enhance what you captured. It has amazing stabilization and is fully waterproof up to 10 meters. So you don't need to worry while shooting near watery places. More astoundingly, this camera can capture film in 5.7K resolution, which is a respectably high resolution, but only under ideal lighting conditions. Pros of Insta360 ONE X2 360 camera. Now totally waterproof, fantastic stabilization, and more advanced video tricks. Cons of Insta360 ONE X2 360. A few pre-release problems to fix, and the quality of a non-360 action camera is greater. So guys, this was the video about the best 360 cameras. All the links are given in the description below. Do check them out. If you really enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content like today. Thank you so much.